Well, let's start on topic 1, materials innovation. If you have a look at this picture, you can see the electric vehicle. Nissan Leaf is made for zero emission that we have to concern about this day. And if you look inside, you can see huge batch of battery, which are the lithium-ion battery modules in a battery pack. And this pack of battery weighed about 300 kilograms. And within the battery pack, hundreds of battery cells like this in the cylindrical shape. They are made into the battery modules and then in the battery pack, as you can see here. This picture shows you the structure of the lithium-ion high-voltage battery in Audi A3. And you can see from here that the battery cells are packed in the modules, and these two modules are packed within the battery management control and housed with the upper housing shell and the cooling system. Just for this, you can see how many type of materials involved into the battery management module. And with this cylindrical batteries is packed into the module, as you can see here, module 1, 2, 3, and 4. For particular battery cells, if you look inside it, we can see 5 components of battery cells. The first thing is the cathode, and the second one is the anode. These two are separated by the separator, which are normally made from polymer. And all of these are rolled and packed inside, full of electrolyte, and within the case, which are normally steel or aluminum. So there are 5 components of the battery cells. First is the cathode, anode, separator, electrolyte, and case. And how they function? If we break down the materials from just one battery cells, you can see that the cathode, which normally made from lithium cobalt oxide, accounts for 27.5%. Then the anode is made from graphite, 20.2%. The case is normally from steel or aluminum, and then the separator is normally the polymer. You can see here that just one battery, there are a range of materials involved. So why and how are these materials selected to do their job? And the answer is the nature of the material itself. When it's on operation, the lithium from the positive electrode will move to the negative electrode as charging. On discharging, the lithium will move back, and this is how it will produce electricity. So, for those who are civil engineers, I guess some of you will be, you have to focus on structural materials such as steel bars, aluminum sheet, and so on. And for those who are going to be mechanical engineers, you should be focusing on machine and automotive parts, such as engine gears made from metals such as steel, cast iron, and aluminum, copper, for example. And for those who are electrical engineers, you might be focusing on the electronic parts such as PCBs, copper cable, antenna, and semiconductors. So we have to select the most appropriate materials to do their jobs based on properties and design